Alright guys, this is Doug will Fix It. I'm going to show you quickly how to take this thing apart and basically put it back together. So the first thing we do is we can pop the seat out. There's probably a screw holding it in, but I think on this one I got from the charity, there's no screw, so we just pop the seat out, done. Okay, easy, right? Yeah, then we hit the battery, we grab the battery. There's normally a screw in here holding the battery in. You take that out, just pop the battery out. So that's the battery, yeah. Okay. What else? Handlebar, so we can adjust this from here. So if we look, you can just fold this down. You can adjust it to your height, but if you want, you can just fold it down like that. So now it's all down there. Just move the camera down a bit so you guys can see. And then you can actually disconnect the back, the actual drive area, the drive bit. So there you go. Separated. So easier to transport. Okay, easy to transport if you need to move it around, or if something fails in the back, you can get that looked at separately. Obviously the battery's here as well. Let me put it back together for you guys. Yeah. Okay, so I'll get this back to the slot. Done. Easy, right? Let's get this lever back up. There. Battery's in. The chair. Good. And then, there you go. I'm taking deep breaths, I've been swimming all day. And then if I sit down, fire this up. Keys fell out, but yeah, bad boy. Reverse, forward. Done. Okay, that's it. Simple as that. Easy peasy. Not difficult, not hard. Anyone can do it. Thanks for watching. Please sub the channel. Please like the videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.